You know, you guys don't have to push the buttons if you don't want to. You could just not push the button. You could just like be like, you know, like whatever guy says fire, but you should be like, oh, that's it. I thought it didn't work. The button didn't work. You know, like after a while, people that got sent to Vietnam, they were just, you know, they would be told to charge and to shoot. They would just shoot straight up in the air. Oh, I'm out of bullets. Sorry about that.